Hey guys, Prepper in the Woods here. If this is your first time here, we do gear reviews, bushcraft and prepping projects. A little bit of backstory here. This video, if you don't like, can you please blame Knife Monkey, because it's his fault. Basically, I'm trying to throw some ideas around about some gear reviews and what to do and stuff. And I go to his channel and I see he gets a lot of cool kit from Gearbest. So I had to chat with him back and forth a little bit. He convinced me. So I did a little bit of a shopping spree. I bought some stuff I wanted to review and then some stuff I wanted to own personally. So just give you an idea if you do want to shop on Gearbest, what to expect. So I bought some paracord because that always is useful. And it is proper paracord, 7 strand and all the rest of it. But I bought this one here was 31 meters for £3.82, and then that one was 31 meters for £4.19. So I couldn't find that cheaper locally anywhere. So that's a good deal for me. Really like that. I got some more bracelets and stuff to make, so good for me. Right, the item I want to show you now is an unboxing one. Is the Outdoor Self-Help SOS Emergency Survival Kit. It is a massive waterproof hard container, obviously plastic, 2 holes on top for a lanyard or however you want to, strap it to your bag or whatever. But what I want to do is, let's go on desktop now. I'll show you the kit inside and then you can decide yourself if it's the right item for you from Gearbest. So let's take a look now. Right, so there's my rope. And you can see it is 7 strand there. So I'm really happy with that. That's a good deal for me. Right, so let's have a look to see what's inside. It is a hard case, waterproof with 2 loops on the top. You got foam padding on one side. You get 1 set of double elastics for the slingshot. You get a very nice, very sharp tactical pen. You get a nice torch that you can focus and wide beam it. Also has normal light and strobe. You get 1 button compass which moves quite smoothly. You get 6 shots of ball bearings there. You get 1 ferro rod with striker with a large handle. You get a slingshot here. I haven't had one of these before. I've only had the Black Widow ones, but that's nice and pocket friendly. You get 1 bright LED keychain light, and you get a emergency whistle with that. So you get all that for £12.90. Now, the case itself is really big. It is 6.9 by 4.3 by almost 2 inches deep. So you can get a more Eldris in there and also throw some other extra stuff in there. So if you want to, tweak the kit around a little bit and put a blade in there, you can mix some things around with it. So you do have some options. But, for what you get for £12 here, I've tested the light out. I'll show you that. And the light is quite bright. So I'm really happy with that. And the strobe I like too. Yeah, so to give you a quick recap of what I think, and let's do that now. Right, so this is my first impression of working with Gearbest. It is a positive one. I'm really happy with my stuff. It's good budget items, so I'm happy with that. Oh, and you can fit a Eldris in there easily with loads of room spare. So big box. Like that. So yeah, positive experience. Happy with that. But as expected, it is a long shipping time. I think I waited about a month or something like that. A month, maybe a little over. But, we just had holidays anyway, so that would have been affected with it. But no, really happy with it. Good budget items. I got some cool stuff in that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Have you had experience with Gearbest before? What items should I look for? I only bought like a handful of stuff at the moment. So, I'm gonna, next couple of videos will probably be Gearbest ones. I'll throw another knife in there and stuff like that. But I'll make a Gearbest playlist. So if you're looking at the same item I have, you get more information on it. But yeah, let me know in the comment section. And thanks guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Catch you next video. Bye.